Hi students, now we are going to discuss about atmosphere, which is in the 5th standard social science. Location of India. Location of India. India is situated in the continent of Asia. It lies completely in the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. India is located in southern Asia. It is bordered by the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal to the south. The country is situated north of the equator between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north longitude, 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east latitude and longitude. Location of extent. The India measures 3,214 km north to south and 2,933 km from east to west. Pressure. When the temperature increases, pressure decreases, and when the temperature decreases, pressure increases. Look at the picture. Heat zones of the earth. Earth's surface. Why does the heat vary from morning to evening? It is because of the sun rays. The land is divided into various heat zones according to the fall of the sun rays on the surface of the earth. The zone between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is called tropical or torrid zone, where the sun rays fall vertical. The zone between 23.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north latitude and 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south latitude, which receive slanting rays of the sun, are called temperate zone. The zones which do not get sun's rays are called frigid zones. The next topic is wind. The air which moves horizontally from high pressure to low pressure area is called wind. High pressure to low pressure. Air moves to low pressure area. Then the next topic is wind energy. Wind energy is a form of a renewable energy. Wind turbines converts the kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Yeah, Generator can convert mechanical energy into electricity. This is the sources of wind energy. Then the next topic is different types of wind. Planetary wind, monsoon winds, sea breeze, land breeze, local wind, cyclone. First, we can move to the planetary wind. Different types of wind. First topic is planetary wind. These winds move in the same direction throughout the year with the rotation of the earth, its own axis from west to east direction. The next topic is monsoon winds. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic term mausam, which means season. The types of monsoon: northeast monsoon winds, southwest monsoon winds. Northeast monsoon winds move from the north to east directions, as well as southwest monsoon winds move from the south to west directions. Okay, student, just recall all the topics. First, location of India, pressure, heat zones of the earth, wind energy, different types of wind, planetary wind, monsoon winds, northeast monsoon and southwest monsoon. Okay, thank you children. In the next video, we are going to discuss sea breeze and land breeze.